Hello student, let's start today's class 10 chapter triangles exercise 6.3. It is part 1. State which pair of triangles are similar. Already similar triangle criteria I have explained in the first chapter. In that video you must see once. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question and also write the pairs of triangles, similar triangle in the symbolic form. Now first solution to triangle has given. We have to say are they similar or not. If similar, their similarity criteria you have to write. See here, angle A is equal angle P. Angle B is equal angle Q. Angle C is equal angle R. Therefore, by angle criteria, angle criteria, these two triangles are similar. Okay. Next triangle, it has given a triangle ABC and PQR. Check these two triangle. Here, it is sides are given. It is AB is 2, but it is 6. You have to change it according to this triangle. So for that, this arrow sign you check. If you shift it in this direction, anti-clockwise direction, these all three angles, this triangle will shift in this form. Anti-clockwise direction it is moving. Check it. It's okay. So it is like in this form it will come. Done it? It is 2.5 now shifted here. 2 side 2 shifted here and 3 shifted as in this according to this. Now you compare with it. It is this is CB upon PR. CB upon PR. 2.5 upon 5. It is 1 upon 2. Next is BA. From this triangle you check CBA and PRQ I have taken. CBA, PRQ. Same order you have to take. Now CB upon PR. It is 1 upon 2. Next BA upon RQ. BA upon RQ. Okay, this is 2. 2 upon 4 it is 1 upon 2. Next AC upon PQ. It is 1 upon 2. So all three ratios are same. So it is CB upon PR is equal to BA upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Therefore, by side criterion, these two triangles are similar. Got it? Now this triangle you check it. PML and DEF. In this order I have taken as check the side. It is 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 2 centimeter, but here 5 centimeter. There is no relation in this way. It is 1 upon 2, but it is not 1 upon 2, but it is. If you check in this order, it is 1 upon 2, but these two are not 1. So you have to change its direction. To change its direction, you just inverse this one. That means its side you change. So if you change it in this way, this angle only will change. Okay. Now shift it in this formation. Check it. Okay. Now what we can see? 3, 6, 2, 4 and 2.75. And this side, this L shifted here. This one, M is as it is. L and P that shifted interchange their side. It's okay. P is here. Now you compare these two triangle. It is PL upon DF. PL upon DF. It is 1 upon 2. This one it is PM upon DE. PM upon DE, it is also 1 upon 2. But ML upon EF, it is not 1 upon 2. So as these ratio are not equal, hence these two triangles are not similar. Got it? In this way you have to change the triangle, then you can do it. Now next. Yes, check this triangle. Now has given this angle is, you can see in this way first, it is 70 degree and this side is 2.5, this side has not given, this one is 5. And in this triangle PQR, this PQ 5 and QR is 10 and these corresponding angles, so okay, it is 70 degree. Got it? Now we have to prove these two are similar or not. For that you check it, just see this is the triangle suppose. Okay. Now how we can change it? This corresponding angle we have to take. It is 2.5. So we can change it, we can shift it in this way. Just it is reverse it. Now you shift it in between here. So it is N is here. So okay. Now this triangle you check it. In this way I shift it inside. Now it is 70 degree. It is also 70 degree. 2.5. It is 5. Now you compare these two triangle. Okay. Now if you compare it, it is PQ upon MN is equal to 2. QR upon ML is equal to 2. Check it from the figure. And angle Q is equal to angle M. These two are 70 degree. Therefore, by side angle side criterion, these two triangles are similar. Next, this is triangle. Here directly you can see that it is 80 degree. It's and these two are 2.5 and it is 3. BC is 3. Here as given, this is 80 degree and its corresponding angles, adjoining sides. This angle, its adjoining sides are 6 and 5. But here adjoining sides are not given. So simple, we know that these two are not similar. If even though we can write angle A is equal angle F is equal 80 degree. So its corresponding angles AB or BA. So okay, ABA upon DF is equal to, it is 1 upon 2 and AC upon EF is equal, it is AC upon 6. AC's value has not given. So okay, undefined. So because of that we can write in triangle this is not similar to this. Okay. Last one is of this part, it is by angle sum property we can get it. It is 70 degree, it is 80 degree, so it must be 30 degree. We have got it, it is 30 degree. Okay. And by angle sum property it is 70 degree. 3 angles we have got. So it is 3 angles, angle it is 70 degree, it is 70, angle D is equal angle P, E is equal to Q and angle F is equal to angle R. Therefore by angle criteria these two triangles are similar. Okay. Now question number 2 and 3. In question number 2, these two lines are parallel. So okay. In figure ODC this triangle and OBA this triangle. Okay. These two are similar has given. Angle this one, it is BOC, it is 125 degree and angle CDO it is 70 degree has given. You have to find all 3 angles. Okay. Now one by, as it is 2 triangle are similar, so we can write these are similar. So angle it is 70 degree, so angle B is 70 degree. Okay. Because first in alternate angle these two are 70 degree. and this angle C is equal angle A, it is also equal. Now from here it is a linear pair. Okay, so COD is equal to COD or DOC plus 125 degree is equal 180 degree. It is a linear pair. So DOC is equal to 55 degree. Okay, this angle, one angle we have got DOC, first one we have got. Now exterior interior property, exterior angle is equal sum of opposite interior angle. Therefore CDO exterior, this is equal this plus this. Okay, CDO plus DCO is equal to COB. Now substitute the value 70 degree and it is 125 degree. Therefore DCO is equal to 125 minus 70, it is 55 degree. It is also 55 degree. Last one is angle OAB is equal to DCO. It is alternate angle. Check it. OAB, this angle, and DCO, this angle. These two are alternate angle. This one we have got 55. So therefore angle A is also 55 degree. Okay, three angles we have got. Now next question number 3. Diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD intersect each other at O. Using a similarity criterion for two triangles, show that AO or OA upon OC is equal OB upon OD. Okay. Now in this two triangle, check it here. Angle this, angle B is equal angle D, alternate angle. Angle A is equal angle C, alternate angle. Okay. These are alternate angle. So by angle criteria we can write, or the third angle, it is vertically opposite angle. Third angle also equal, it is vertically opposite angle. So by angle criteria, these two triangles are similar. As they are similar, corresponding sides ratio is equal. Therefore OA upon OC is equal OB upon OD. That corresponding sides of similar triangle. Thank you very much. Please subscribe the channel, those who have not done, and like the video. Thank you again.